There's a lot of talk about reindustrialization. At REGENT, we're actually doing it. This is a 250,000 square foot facility, the first home of Seaglider manufacturing in the world, right here at 1 Seaglider Way in Quonset, Rhode Island. We have $10 billion of Seaglider orders across the order book, and we are proud to be building all of them right here in America. This facility is not only bringing Seagliders to life, it's bringing jobs and economic development to the state of Rhode Island. We're bringing up to 750 jobs here in addition to the latest technology from high-rate composite manufacturing to electric propulsion. Completing this manufacturing facility, just the next milestone validation that REGENT is hitting every single one of our goals on path to delivering Seagliders. This facility is proof that with the right partners, the right backing, the right team, and the right vision, we can build and we can reindustrialize in America.